This is our TC3 baby stroller installation video. The product includes one armrest, one cup holder, one mosquito net, one cotton pad, 4 wheels, and one stroller. Release the folding hook. Hold the push handle with both hands on the front bracket and lift it up. Then lock in the secondary insert. Press the bottom and insert the front wheel, and also you need to press the bottom to pull out. The rear wheel is loaded into the rear bracket and the click sound is heard, indicating that the rear wheel has been installed in place. And the cup holder on the hanging column. Pulling the pull rod upward can adjust the back angle. Lift the foot pedal first, then rotate the foot pedal support wire, and put the support wire into the foot pedal chip. Open the secondary insert. Let the coupler down. Hand the folding hook and push down. Pull up the reserving handle. Push handle can be reserved back